Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling live. Make sure your YouTube channel has live streaming enabled and you're admin of the Facebook page. Once done, open YouTube Studio, create right arrow go live right arrow stream tab and copy the stream key. This key links platforms. Next, on Facebook, go to your page, Publishing Tools or Live Producer, select Use Stream Key Mode. You'll paste the YouTube key later, so keep both browser tabs active and avoid closing them while configuring. Now connect the technical pieces using an encoder like OBS or Streamlabs. You open OBS, go to Settings right arrow stream, choose Custom or YouTube, and paste the stream key from YouTube. Then in OBS add a second output or use Multi-Stream plugin to target Facebook's RTMP URL and its stream key from Live Producer. Configure output. Choose 720p 30 or 1080p 30. Set bitrate appropriate for your upload, and confirm audio codec is AAC. Test with a short private stream to ensure both platforms receive video. To finish, start streaming from your encoder and watch both YouTube Studio and Facebook Live Producer for incoming preview. Once you see stable video and audio on both previews, click Publish on Facebook and start stream on YouTube if needed. This makes the feed live to both audiences. If you see no video or lag, make sure both RTMP keys are correct, confirm firewall or router isn't blocking RTMP, lower bitrate, and inspect encoder logs. If problems persist, restart the encoder and retry. That usually resolves lingering handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.